to Life of Sheila. I'm so glad that you are here. On Saturdays in September, we are going to do a soup or sandwich collab. And I say or because you could pick either one. It's open to anyone. If you want to join me, join in. Just comment down below that you have a soup or sandwich recipe that you want to share, and I will link your video to the playlist. It's only requirements there is. I am making a sandwich, a hot sandwich. Sorry about the lighting. I'm like, oh, there's that streak, but it's because it is so sunny outside. All right, and my overhead lights are out, so I need to replace those, but it makes my kitchen kind of dark. I do not have windows in my kitchen. A ton of windows in the front of the house, a ton of windows in the family room, but the way our kitchen is set, it's an open concept home, so I can look into the living room and the dining room, but I have this wall over here is all cabinets and my stove and brick on the outside, so there's no windows, so that's not even an option. But anyway, next time the video will be much better. Let's get on with it. I am going to make a chicken jalapeno popper roll-up. It's going to be very quick. It's going to be something when I was figuring out this collab, what I wanted to do. I am filming this currently on a Thursday. We do not have any football games anymore as far as the kids go. That's nice. Kind of clears up that schedule. And next Thursday, the Houston Texans are playing, and so I wanted to make sure I made something for that meal that went with game night. So as much as we enjoy hot sandwiches, we do like soup, so I am gonna have one soup recipe this month, unless I change my mind with one of the other sandwiches. Tonight I am gonna try something we've never had. We like croissant rolls. I wanted something that would be easy for a game day, for you guys who have kids playing games, or you got picking up kids from practice and you're really on a rough schedule, a tight schedule. I remember what that was like. This is the first year that I have not had to rush. Mind you, this week my husband was on nights, so I get off. By the time I get off and get home, I see him for 30 minutes if I'm not stuck in traffic. Yesterday I didn't see him at all, so a time crunch kind of meal is something that we have needed this week. I've kept him pretty well taken care of with other things that I could have shared on these videos as well, but let's get to this recipe. That's a lot of chatter. I'll probably edit out. We shall see. This is something that can be handheld, made for a game night, made for tailgating, made for gatherings, get-togethers, made just for your teenagers who love finger food. I'm not a teenager, obviously. I still love finger food. 9 times out of 10 we go to a restaurant, I'm ordering an appetizer for my meal, just because who doesn't love appetizers? So you could consider this an appetizer. For us, it's just a very fast meal. So let's hop to it. I'm gonna show you what we're gonna need to make them, and I'm gonna let you watch me make them, and then I will show you the final product at the end. This really is kind of an economical meal. I was going to use rotisserie chicken, but when I was putting in my grocery order, I saw this pop up and I thought that would be fabulous. I wanted the a name brand, I forget which one it is because it tastes better, but this will do. I mean, kids don't care. If I was serving it to the king, you know, I would use rotisserie chicken, but I really want to just play with this and see how it works out. I'm gonna do a double batch, so I'm gonna use 2 croissant rolls, 2 tubes, not 2. I have what is this? What size is this? There it is. A 4-ounce can of diced jalapenos. I did get hot. You could use fresh if you'd like. I just did it this way. 1 block of cream cheese and 1 pack of bacon pieces. In a bowl, I am going to mix the cream cheese, the jalapeno poppers, and the bacon pieces all together. Then I will roll out a crescent roll, put some of the rotisserie chicken on the crescent roll first. I'm going to put the filling inside on top of the meat and kind of fold it over so it kind of stays in a little better. And then I'll roll it up and bake it.
Hey, I wish you could see yourself just sitting there on my chair. I'm staring at you, you don't even notice. Should've told you straight away, you don't have to be afraid anymore. I know you haven't noticed.
Alright guys, these are how they turned out. I am so excited. Were y'all expecting that cream cheese to bust out? I know I was. You're going to see one here in the center. The cheese did come out. I ran out of cream cheese, so I just stuck a piece of pepper jack cheese in there. But the ones that have the cream cheese filling wrapped up with the chicken seem to really have stayed in. I'm so excited. So, for those of you who like those little finger foods or just something quick, makes a great quick lunch as well, definitely give them a shot. My guys are fixing to try them out, and we are going to bid you a fond farewell. I hope that you have a fantastic Saturday evening and a beautiful Sunday. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.